Okay, why is this button literally running away from me? I just hovered over it, and it said, click someone else. Today we're making this drama queen of a button using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's get into it. We're starting simple. One button with the ID Sassy button. We'll target this with JavaScript. And one div with the ID Sassy text. That's where all the rude messages will show up. First, we use getElementById to grab both the button and the message container. We're storing them in variables named button and text because, duh. Messages is an array filled with all the sarcastic lines our button will throw at you. You can add more if you want. Count keeps track of how many times you've hovered over the button. We'll use this to rotate through the messages in our messages array. This event listener waits for your mouse to even approach the button and then. randx and randy give us new random positions for the button. We subtract the button's width and height to keep it inside the screen. Now we update the left and top styles of the button. This is what actually makes the button jump somewhere else. We're updating the text content of the text variable using count. Mod messages to length makes it loop through the array over and over. And finally, we increment count by 1. Every hover, more sass. The body styles just center everything, make it full screen, and add that soft background and font to match the aesthetic chaos. Padding, font size, and border radius make it soft and clickable. Background color and box shadow give it that candy vibe. But here's the important part. This line makes the button move smoothly instead of instantly jumping. Without this, the button would just teleport like it's glitching. With this, it gracefully glides across the screen like a dramatic exit. The sassy text div is styled to stay at the bottom and display the mood of the button. Think of it as a passive-aggressive subtitle. This button now has serious trust issues. It literally avoids commitment and clicks. See you all next time. Bye.